Becoming wealthy isn't just about luck, it's fundamentally about cultivating the right mindset and consistent daily habits. Millionaires often prioritize consistent saving and smart investing, ensuring their money works hard for them over time. They actively develop multiple streams of income, diversifying their financial portfolio beyond a single source. A key habit is continuous reading and self-education, constantly expanding their knowledge and skills. Networking with purpose is crucial. They build meaningful relationships that open doors to new opportunities. Budget discipline is non-negotiable, meticulously tracking expenses and making informed financial decisions. They embrace long-term thinking, focusing on future growth rather than immediate gratification. Finally, millionaires are adept at taking calculated risks, understanding that growth often requires stepping outside comfort zones. These 7 habits are not just theoretical, they are actionable steps that can transform your financial journey. Adopt just one of these powerful habits today, and you'll already be firmly on the path to building lasting wealth.